Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove this inventory status on product pages in Shopify Dawn Theme. So what you'll need to do is basically go to your Shopify control panel, click on online store, then click on the themes, and then click on edit theme, and right here select products, select on default product, and if you have custom ones, select the custom, and right here you'll see your product, and if you click on your product information, you can do that on the left menu or just by clicking right here. And then what you'll need to do is right here you'll see inventory status. What you'll need to do is just delete it like this, then click on save, and then you'll be good to go. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.